It's been a bit since we got one out to you. Today we're back with a classic, I don't know if you could say 1980s, 1990s appetizer, utilizing these eggs from Calico Farms. The dish we're going to be doing is deviled eggs. So I'm sure a lot of you have had your own take on it from home, that your moms, your grandmas maybe cooked, family functions or whatever. So the great thing about these eggs, they do come from happy hens. I'm sure that's a term we hear thrown around quite a bit nowadays. These hens are not caged up. They are like free range, free run. The great thing about eggs is they are like a very nutrient dense packed food. Things like sulfur in them, vitamin B. And instead of using mayo, I'm going to use a healthier option with avocados. So that's where we get the creaminess from for these deviled eggs. It's a combination of protein and healthy fats. There's some spices and whatnot that we put in there, like paprika and whatnot, maybe some flat leaf parsley. But today I'm going to use some cilantro, a little bit of hemp hearts. If you try something different, we're going to use some of these pickles we got from the share a couple weeks back too. These came from Shirley's greenhouse and they are delicious. So I've already boiled off the eggs. And what I did is I just got the water boiling, and then I dropped them down and set a timer for 10 minutes. That way you're not going to overcook them and you're not going to get that gray ring around the yolks. Okay, so you can see that from like cooking about 10 minutes you get that nice yellow color. There's no gray ring around there. The yolk looks nice. So all I'm doing for this is I'm just going to cut these eggs in half. Now, peeling eggs, some people absolutely despise peeling eggs, but this is one of my favorite things to do. I think every chef probably has their certain items that they absolutely they just find kind of meditative, or they just really enjoy prepping. And peeling eggs is one of those things I just really enjoy. I don't know what it is. Same thing with slicing mushrooms. I just really enjoy slicing mushrooms. And I think I'll just use one whole avocado. The combination of all those beautiful nutrients that are inside the eggs, as well as the EFAs and that are present in avocados, makes a really healthy meal option or snack. I'm just kind of bunched up the cilantro. If you want, you can take the stems out, but I like using the stems in there because they're so full of flavor. I'm going to use a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, show a little bit of tartness, a couple cracks of pepper, a small pinch of salt, and we're going to mash this up. Mixer at home, this will probably make this job a little bit easier. All I'm looking for is just a nice smooth consistency. A little taste. You have a piping bag at home, you can fill all this filling into a piping bag and just pipe it in there nice and, get a nice little rosebud on top of there. For any of you Dr. Seuss fans out there, it could be a little take on green eggs and ham. Okay, so I've got all the eggs plated up now. I'm just taking some of these pickles, slice them nice and thin. Maybe we'll garnish a few of these eggs with some pickles. Got a lemon here, so maybe we'll put a little bit of lemon zest on a couple of other of them. I add some good gray sea salt we got from Silk Road over in Inglewood. Following the salt, sprinkle of hemp hearts on each one as well too. There we go. 80s appetizer of deviled eggs here of Calico Farms eggs. good.
That was really good.
Let's get them. Yes.